So, what is affiliate marketing and what it's not? Let's reset your mindset before we build your system. Alright, welcome to the first official section of this course. Before we build funnels, draft commission plans, or automate anything, we need to fix the root problem that causes most affiliate programs to fail before they even begin. And here it is. Most people don't understand what affiliate marketing really is. They confuse it with MLMs, referral codes, random people posting links in bios, or a way to earn passive income while doing nothing. Well, that's not affiliate marketing at all. That's wishful thinking with a tracking link. Real affiliate marketing is not about tricking someone into a one-time sale. It's about building a win-win system where people want to promote your product because it helps their audience and earns them revenue. It's long term, it's performance driven, and it's scalable as heck. And if you set it up the right way. Now, let's flip the lens. Have you ever wondered how companies like Go High Level or ClickFunnels grew so fast without massive ad spends? I haven't seen a Go High Level ad yet or a ClickFunnels ad yet. They turned customers into partners. Agencies, creators, freelancers, all promoting their platform, building business on top of it, and earning recurring income from it. That's affiliate marketing done right. And here is the kicker. They didn't rely on influencers. They empowered everyday people to grow with them. And that is the opportunity you have right now. Whether you are a coach, a course creator, a service provider, or a SaaS startup, affiliate marketing can help you scale without increasing your personal workload or marketing budget. So, here is what affiliate marketing is and what it is not. Let's break it down clearly. Once and for all, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, just a link in bio strategy, or only for influencers or YouTubers. A referral program where you give someone a $5 coupon, a replacement for ads, though it can outperform them, but it's not. Now, here is what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is why did this change? So sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Okay, let's come back to the slide. Yeah, so what affiliate marketing is? It's a partnership based sales strategy, a way to leverage other people's trust and reach, a scalable system where you only pay for performance, a strategy that works in B2B, B2C, SaaS, and even coaching, a growth engine where people choose to sell your product for you. Now, let's add one more layer to this. When you combine affiliate marketing with AI plus automation tools like ChatGPT, Go High Level, and Canva, you suddenly unlock a superpower. You don't need a big team, a huge network, or even experience. You need a system and a few smart tools, which we are going to build together. And it all starts with mindset. So, here is a mental switch I want you to flip today. From getting people to promote me to building a partnership system that drives revenue. Let me give you a real example. When Go High Level launched their affiliate program, they didn't just throw up a link and say share it. They gave 40% recurring commissions, built white label versions of the tool, offered done for you funnels and email scripts, trained their affiliates with webinars and swipe files, celebrated milestones, leaderboards, shout outs, etc. They treated their affiliates like family and like business partners. And that mindset, it created 6 and 7 figure earners, not just for GHL, but for its affiliates too. Let's log this in before we move forward. If you remember just one thing from this lesson, make it this: affiliate marketing is not a traffic hack, it's a revenue system. And like every great system, it starts with the right mindset. You are not begging people to share your link, you are building a machine where they win, you win, and the end customers win. And over the next few modules, we'll be putting that machine together, piece by piece, using the Made Easy framework.